Now we are going to learn some more commands in AUTOCAD. First one is block command, construction line command, explode command, polyline command, rotate command. So let's start now. To understand the block command, first of all we have to create one layer. Type LA, take a new layer, 2 dash, apply CD, supply ceiling diffuser, change the color here, close. Go to the current color, draw one rectangle, go to the property, go to the by layer only, make it all by layer, draw one rectangle, REC 600 by, specify the width of the rectangle 600, offset 50, enter, select, click inside, type M multiple times offset, draw one line, this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, take one leader line, type LE, rotate, mirror this leader line, treat the source object, erase the source object, move to here and then again move 50 mm. Use the array command, AR, select object, then polar array to center point, type I and enter the number of object 4, see. Now we want to block this object, see, this is not blocked. If you are clicking this line, this is selecting only one line, see. Okay, so I want to, my interest is just to make it block this complete object in one block. So simply type B, shortcut command of block is B, write the here block name is CD, then select object, enter, select pick point, press it OK. So if you click this, see, this is in only one block. Okay, if you want to edit anything in this block, just double click on this block, go to and then you can edit from here. See, now this is on block. Create this in here. Okay, this is block command. Okay, now construction line. The shortcut of construction line is XL. Just type XL, and here in the command bar showing horizontal, vertical, angular, bisect, offset. So my interest is horizontal. Just click on horizontal or type H. See, it's horizontal line. This construction line means the infinite line. This line have no end. Again type XL, and now type B. So you have the vertical construction line. See, okay. Now the third command is explode command. So for example, this is the block. Okay, if you want to explode this block, just select this block, click X, enter. So now it's exploded. Okay, This is the function of explode command only. Polyline. The shortcut of polyline is PL. Just type PL, draw a line. Polyline is nothing but the line, the single line only. See, if you click on this line, this is showing single. Just explode this. If you draw a normal line, just type L and draw here. So just type L, draw here like this. Okay. If you click any one of this segment, it's showing single only. If you want to delete this segment, just click, erase it. Okay. And in polyline, just type PL, click like this, draw polyline. Okay. If you click on this polyline, it's showing only one. If you want to delete this single segment, you cannot delete. You have to delete all. So just click, erase it. So this is the polyline command. Okay. Rotate command. So to use this rotate command, just I have to make one rectangle. REC. If you want to rotate this rectangle 90 degrees, just press it RO, enter, select object, select it, and the asking I specify the base point rotation angle. Okay. It's going to be rotate. Click it. And from this panel you can also use this command. Just click on this rotate, select object, enter, specify the base point. See, it's rotating. So guys, if you learn something from this video, just subscribe my channel to get notification of newly installed video, and share this video to your friends and others. Just comment, subscribe and like this video. Thank you.